In this video, I will show how to fix Windows Update error 0xc8000247. So there are some methods. Firstly, open settings. Now here, click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and guys, you will see here Windows Update. So just click on run and complete this process. Once this complete, search here CMD, run as administrator. Now here guys, you have to copy and paste two command one by one. So first one sfc space slash scan now. So type this command and press enter, and once this process will be complete, it will take 5 to 10 minutes, and once this complete, you have to copy and paste this second command line, DISM online cleanup image, and press enter and complete this one also. And once this second one complete, exit and restart your system. So this is the method guys, you can fix and resolve this problem. First method, try troubleshoot inbuilt feature of Windows. Second one, use command sfc, and third one, use dism command. So thanks for watching, and comment this method work for you or not.